A nut on here. Damn. This thing's too tight.
Will it slide right off?
Something's wrong.
Let's check the backlash.
Fucker ain't got no backlash. Look at this shit.
Can't even turn it with your hand.
Whoop. Oh, that's got a lot of compression. Look at that fucker. All the way around. No backlash at all, John. Really.
How much supposed to be?
It's supposed to have 2,500 millimeter, about 3 to 9 thousandths. But there's no spools on the side. It's to keep this spanner in.
And how tight that's supposed to be?
It's supposed to have 7-inch ounces of torque preload on the bearing. Holy shit.
Need a longer bar?
Can't. That's way too tight. No wonder that pinion won't turn. Let's try it this way. Wonder how they put this fucker on here.
Impact? Here, I'll hold it.
Golly! Get a torque wrench and see how tight it is.
What's all this welded shit on here?
Let's see here. This torque wrench minimum I think is 75 pounds or 50. 70, 60. Snap on 40, 30 pounds.
What's it supposed to be?
Well, the pinion's supposed to turn with 7-inch ounces. The carrier, bearing preload, but it's way more than that. This thing should be, you got to be able to do this with turn this thing with a 3/8 ratchet.
Yeah.
They're 75 pounds. Let's try it. Oh shit, what did I do to this torque wrench? Oh, I broke it. Don't release. I hit it. Let's get the other torque wrench. My hand like that when I tied them.
Right, that's all you're supposed to. It's just, it preloads the bearings, right? The tapered bearings?
Yeah. You just got to have preload on it. There's 90 pounds. How?
It was easy. Put it at 150.
Wonder why they don't put he didn't put the spanner nuts blocks back on them.
Because you can't get them off, that's why.
Probably wouldn't line up the bolt holes.
So what's that set to?
It's 150 pounds, right? 160 right there.
You get somebody else to sit on it. Here, let me hold the... Didn't loose it with 150.
Fuck this is bullshit. I don't like this shit. Case is no good.
Okay, let me turn this off and I'll help you hold it. It's a longer bar.
180. Yeah, you're gonna have to push down. Oh shit, can't get it. We have to use impact. Fuck.
Okay, how big is that impact wrench?
250. Tighter than the gland now. Still tight. What the hell's going on here? I don't want to ruin my damn sock.
Loctite.
Shouldn't be Loctite on this. That's horse shit. No, it's not Loctite. Maybe it is. We'll get it out and see.
So that was your gland nut remover you just used?
That's when I take gland nuts out of motors and rear axles off. That impact. Rear wheel bearings, rear drums.
Try that one with the...
Man, this is hard on my damn tool. It's okay now, that one.
Because the other one was tightening them up, that's why.
Yeah. Oh, that's where it should be. You should be able to tighten that with a 3/8 ratchet, the preload on that. And splitting the case like that, when you put the bell housing on it, makes the pinion ring into the pinion harder. Oil can't get between the ring and pinion, so it's going to break. Man, I wonder how much horsepower it took to turn this son of a bitch. 50?
Probably.
Man, it's so screwed up. It's full of, look like it's metal, full of metal in that. In fact, this is a T-handle I use to set backlash with. And it has to have clearance between the ring and pinion to oil or it's going to break.
Yep.
Oh, that's nice and clean. Look at that shit.
Get some more red shit on it.
It's metal. That's metal.
Where? Come your finger.
That's metal all over that thing. See it? In the grease? Parts washer must have broke. Main shaft's put on it right. Man, that's it. It's supposed to wiggle. That's good. Shit. Sorry, bro. Snap rings on backwards.
Snap rings on backwards.
Well, you put the sharp edge to the outside so it can't jump off. It may not jump off, but it's lot less likely with a sharp edge toward the compression side. Will you pinch me, you son of a bitch? You know I'd be mad. You're squeezing damn things. Come off. It's also easier to pull it off with a sharp edge outside too. Get a punch from one side when they stamp them. Another one. I'll turn
Those washers. What's the story on those washers?
Got it. They're all trash. They shouldn't even ever have been used. They're junk.
What's wrong with them? What
They're
grade are they?
two. Grade 2, the
Grade
cheapest
0?
material. Grade 2 is the cheapest. Was a small, weakest grade they got. If they make anything out of. What's wrong here?
How's the end of that thing look like?
It's okay. You didn't have it too tight. You should have polished that. It's pretty rough. These are a bitch to get out because there's no. Their case is narrower on a 002. Pinion's too deep in the fucking transmission too, or this would come out easier. Must not be any shim on it.
Is the nut loose, or what's how holding it in?
The pinion's too deep. It's hitting it. Damn. Bitch, there it is. Your daughter. It's sharp.
Oh. How's that look?
It's sharp on it. Feel it. I'm being run down in the bottom. Look at the patterns. They're way too far in. The pattern should be in the middle. See the pattern on the ring? Teeth?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'd really.
It's probably hand tightened, isn't it?
No, he's been chiseling on it. See it?
Oh yeah.
$35, $40 nut chisel to shit.
Does it have a nut to hold it in?
Huh? Does it have what? No, it doesn't have any of that shit I put in there.
Top secret stuff?
It's chiseled on it, don't need that shit. We'll see what kind of torque this son of a bitch is up here in a second. Damn, they're really trying to get a hold of you. No, fuck no, really, it's slimed. It's a nice carrier, but there's only two little bitty oil holes in it, and they're right behind the gear. See there on the shaft, they aren't down in the carrier.
Is that a regular 91?
No, that's an aftermarket.
High dollar can't buy it?
Probably. High dollar money. Can't buy it. Weddle, probably. Trick ass Weddle. I put this slimy bastard over here. See what kind of torque's on this fucking nut. Got this thing at 100.
What's it supposed to be?
150. It's supposed to be 160. It's Loctited.
Is it?
Yeah. That's horse shit. That's why the chisel marks.
So you have to get it out now. Impact again?
Impact. I don't like using that on that fucking $160 tool. Oh, why the Loctite, the transmission isn't going to stay together long enough for it to fucking come undone. Where's my other tool? I'm going to take that off. You gotta get this impact in there. Their extension. Man, I'm going to do that with the extension. Put 170 pounds air pressure on this thing.
You gotta turn up the compressor.
Maybe we can find a good transmission in this junk laying around here.
Well, the input shaft should feel good, right?
Yeah.
After you polish it.
Oh man, use that socket on it.
That loosen it? That
No.
loosen it?
Nope, I'm gonna go get an extension next door.
Okay, brake.
Right time.
Okay. You got it loose?
No, it's Loctite.
Get the cutting torch.
Bubba's I cut off with a die grinder.
Get the chisel. That nut got a little bit of chewed up teeth on it? Or what? Those teeth are pretty. Hey, what's this one now?
550 pounds of impact.
Mmm.
Man, I don't want to tear this tool up. I don't care about this fucking gearbox. This horse shit.
Got it loose finally?
Fucking shit.